Hello and welcome to another update video about GRT, the graph. It's a very choppy chart here, but at the moment the assumption would be that we have a chance at least to also get into a third wave rally here, within however a C wave. I'm currently counting the move up that occurred or has been occurring since November as an ABC structure, so basically an AB setup, not a 1-2 setup. It could become one. But this move here, for me, is just not clearly 5-wave-like. So it makes the entire structure less reliable. Looks like a 3-wave structure. This whole thing could become a diagonal, yeah. So, but I want to highlight the risk, but by calling it an ABC instead of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is certainly a more risky setup in my opinion. We've got two possibilities here from a bullish point of view. They are unchanged from the previous video, literally no change at all. The idea is that in this 5-wave move to the upside, we can continue to rally, in a 5-wave move within wave C to ideally around about 28 cents first. That's the 1-to-1 ratio between the wave A and the wave C, an ideal target, the 100% extension at 28 cents. As long as we're holding the orange support area, that goes down to 12.06 cents. And as long as we are holding that level, this is a valid 1-2 setup. And it could be this wave 2 gets reset here, but this is really the very micro level. And I have a feeling it could be, that this is sort of a flat pattern of this 10th of March low that we moved up in a wave 1 and then A wave down, B wave up and C wave down. Possible, I'm gonna move it here now because I think it is the more valid count, also comparing it to what I see across the market. But if we don't hold the 12-cent level here, then we have one more chance to find support, and that would be just by looking at the lower B wave. So if we break below 12 cents and this 1-2 setup is not strictly not invalidated until we break below 10.6 cents, but it will be very unlikely that it's still going to hold if it breaks below the 78.6 fib. But if it breaks it and also invalidates the setup, then we could still explore the option of a reset of the B wave, that this is going to reset a bit lower. That's why I highlighted here the alternate B wave. And we have slightly different support areas then. We would be looking at a possible breakdown all the way to 9 cents. But below 9 cents, this will become a very unreliable chart, and I would need to start to look for new bear market lows. It's anyway not my preferred chart, this one. I've highlighted the risks with it, but as long as we're holding support, we can look at higher. But the main problem with this chart is that in the beginning, it topped in 3 waves, okay, and basically followed a path of a lifetime downtrend. A very risky chart, but still one that short term can certainly show upside potential, and that could develop into medium-term and long-term potential. Is that just that due to the chart history, it's a more risky chart. And if I look at the structure that it created since November, you can see that the move up, it was not a crystal clear 5-wave move. To me, this looks like a 3-wave structure, so it's less reliable already. So just be aware of the risks here. But as long as the levels that I indicated are holding, I think it has a good chance to put this current count in place and maybe even something more bullish. But just be aware that the risk here is higher and the reliability is lower than on many other of the charts that I cover. Alright, that's my update about GRT. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.